Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes. So children, previous class I have started the revision for unit 4, that is physical phenomena, and I have revised the 4 question answers. Now let me continue the revision. Children, open the ABS notebook, write the day and date. Yesterday you have written the 4 question answers. Now today we will continue the same thing. Now write the 5th one children. So let me continue. Write the 5th one. How can the solubility of all substances? How can, don't do the spelling mistake children. How can the solubility of a substances be increased? How it is children? Tell me how it is increased. What is the method? What is the way? Tell me. Yes. Stirring in the solute. Keep on stirring. It mixed, it dissolved very fast. And children, using the powder instead of using the solid things, you can use the powder. The next one, by warming the solvent, it dissolved very fast. Clear children? Answer right here, by following ways. In that first one, first stirring, okay children, stirring in the solid. Stirring in the solid. Solid means what? Water. Next one, using the powder. Using the powder from a solid. Okay children, from a solid solute. Next one, warming the solvent. Warming the solvent. These are the 3 ways are that we can increase. Okay children. Next one. Next question. Question number 6. Okay children. Write the question number 6. Don't do the any spelling mistake children. Don't do the any spelling mistake. Okay. Next 6th one. When is the substances? When is a substances called an insoluble? Substances in a specific liquid. Answer. So what we asked here, when is a substance is called an insoluble? When it is called insoluble, when the substances does not dissolve in water, when the substances does not dissolve in liquid, that time it is called an insoluble substances. Clear children? So when the substances, when Dissolve. Dissolve means what? Does not mix. Does not dissolve in a liquid. Liquid means what? Water. In a liquid. Not only water, milk, fuel. When it is does not dissolve in a liquid, then it is called as an insoluble substances. Insoluble substances. We'll write some examples, children, then you will understand. What are the examples? Tell me, children. Give some examples. Wood. Yes. Wood. Chalk. Then again, yes, stones will write. Chalk means what, children? Chalk powder it is, okay? And then stones. So when a substances does not dissolve, do not mix, does not dissolve in a liquid, then it is called an insoluble substances. For example, wood, chalk powder and stone. Now next we see, children. Now next one, main question number 2nd. Tick the right answer. What is the main question number 2nd? Tick the right answer. First one, sand is soluble or insoluble in water. Sand is soluble or insoluble in water. Next one, mustard oil is soluble or insoluble. Mustard oil is soluble or insoluble in water. Next one, coffee is soluble or insoluble. Coffee is soluble or insoluble in milk. Next one, honey is soluble or insoluble in water. Honey is soluble or insoluble in water. So these are the some sentence given here. What they ask? We should think the correct answer. Okay, whether the things are dissolved in liquid or not. Whether the things are soluble. Soluble means what? Which things dissolved in liquid, that is a soluble. Insoluble, which substances does not dissolve in the liquid. Clear, children? So first we'll see in that first one, sand is soluble or insoluble in water, children. Tell me, sand is soluble or insoluble? Yes, sand Read question number 3. Fill in the blanks. First one. So don't do the any spelling mistake, children. Write correctly. So next, children, fill in the blanks. First one, dash contains dash, dash contains favored amount of dissolved salt, dissolved salt, dissolved salt or no salt at all, or no salt at all. After finish one filling the blanks, children, keep a line. Next, sea water is unfit for dash 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 and dash. Next one, dumping of waste in water. I will write here, children. Third one, dumping of waste in water makes it dirty. Makes it dirty. Causing dash. Okay, children. Next one. Fourth, fill in the blanks. Dash is the state of matter. Dash is the state of matter which has a definite shape and size. Fifth one, dash not only take the shape of the container, dash not only takes the shape of the container but also occupies the entire space of the container. So children, these are the some filling the blanks. Now we'll write the answer. What is the first one here? Dash contains favored amount of dissolved salt or no salt at all. Tell me, children. agriculture. Next one. Dumping of waste in water makes it dirty, causing, tell me children, yes, water pollution. What is that? Water pollution. Water pollution. Okay children. Next. Dash is the state of matter which has definite shape and size. Which matter has definite shape and size? Which, tell me children, yes. What is that? Solid. Solid is the state of matter which has a definite shape and size. Dash not only takes the shape of the container but also occupies the entire space of the container. Tell me children. So what is the correct answer? Yes, correct answer is gas. Gas not only takes the shape of the container but also occupies the space of the container. Okay children. Now we will go to the next main. That is the fourth main. Fourth main, multiple choice. These don't change shape. First one, these don't change shape. What are the options here? Solid, liquid, gases. Solid, liquid, gases, and D1, none of these. Next one. These substances can move freely. These substances can move freely. What are the options? Solids and liquids. Solids and liquids. Only gases. Only liquids. Last one, both liquid and gases. Both liquid and gases. The third one. What is the third here? It exists in 3 states. It exists in 3 states. Notebook. First option I have given. notebook, matter, cars and none of this. Cars and none of this. Next one. Salt, sugar and honey are salt, sugar and honey are, options are, honey are soluble in, options, only water, B, only milk, both water and milk, C1, both water and milk, D, none of this. Okay children, now here we have to tick the correct answers. So after finish one question, one multiple choice, you have to leave the line children. Okay. Now we'll go one by one. So what they asked first? These don't change the shape. Which shape? Do not change the shape children. Liquid can change the shape. Yeah, it's move. Gases also can change the shape. What about the solid? Solid can change the shape? No. When we use the external force, then only it changes the shape. Otherwise, won't only. So, which is the correct here? Correct is solid. These substances can move freely. Which substances can move freely, children? Solids and liquid. Only gases, only liquid, or both liquid and gases. Solid cannot move. We have to carry, then only it's move. But gas cannot, it's move freely. That means liquid and gases which move freely. It exists in 3 states: notebook, matter, cars, none of these. Matter, only matter exists in the 3 states. Next one, salt, sugar and honey are. It is soluble or insoluble children? Tell me, what is that given the option? Only water, only in the milk, or both water and milk? None of these. So salt, sugar and honey can be dissolved in water and milk. So what is the correct answer? Both water and milk. Clear children? Now we'll see the next one. Fifth one children. Solids can be A, solid, B, liquids, C, both solid and liquids, both solids and liquids. Next one. Water can be purified. Water can be can be purified at home by boiling B1 using water filter C1 using water purifiers last one all of these. So children, first we'll take the answers, then I will write the next one. Solids can be solid, liquid, both solid and liquid. Tell me children, it can both solids and liquid. Water can be purified at your home by boiling, using the boiling method, using the water filter, using water purifier, or all of these. Tell me. Yes. Correct answer is all of these. Okay children. Next one. Next we'll see. That is the seventh one. Clouds are made of many tiny clouds are made of many tiny, we'll see the options, rain droplets, then water droplets, C, air droplets, D, none of these. Last one. Water is present on the earth. Water is present on the earth in the form of sea water, fresh water, brackish water, last one, all of the above. All of the above. So what is the first here? Clouds are made of many tiny rain droplets, water droplets, air droplets, or none of these. Tell me children. What is the answer? Yes, it is the water droplets. Small tiny water droplets, they form clouds. Water is present on the earth in the form of sea water, fresh water, brackish water and all of this. 3/4 part is covered with the water only. In the 3/4 part we can see this all the form. Sea water, fresh water, brackish water. So answer is what here? D1. All of the above. Okay children, I will stop here only, and the remaining things like describing words, then true and false, scientific reason will continue in the next video. Till that times we have to write these all the things whatever I have given in the today's video. Everything should be written in your EBS notebook. Write only one time. Okay children. So what is the homework for you here? Homework is write one time. Okay children, you should write one time this revision, and the remaining thing I will continue in the next class. Thank you children.